Hello, IC 11th class students. Welcome you all in the drama class of The Tempest Act 2 Scene 2. In our previous meet, we have seen students that Trinculo is King Alonso's jester. He is rather a fool by nature. When we meet him first, he is trembling with fear because another storm is brewing and he does not know where he would hide. On seeing Caliban, who is lying on the ground, Trinculo thinks him to be some strange variety of fish. Actually, dear students, the whole of the scene is amusing. This is also called the farcical scene. The funniest part of the comedy here is that Caliban mistakes a human being for a spirit, and that Stefano mistakes Caliban for a monster. Trinculo had taken him for a fish. Stefano's, later on, we will see that the Stefano's drunkenness makes the scene even more amusing, and afterwards, Caliban also gets drunk. So now let us start from the 66th line from the Caliban's dialogue. Caliban says, "The spirit torments me." As Trinculo is hiding in the gabardine of the Caliban, he's being irritated. So he says, he thinks that the spirit is torturing him. So he says, "The spirit torments me, the spirit tortures me." Then Stefano says, "This is some monster of the island with four legs." Stefano sees that the four legs are outside of the gabardine of the Caliban. So he says, "This is, as I think," means this is some monster of the island. I think this is the monster of the island having four legs, who had got, as I take it, an egg. And as I think, he is undergoing with a fever. He is undergoing fever. Where the devil should he learn our language? I suppose, how could he have learned our language? I will give him some relief. And he says, as he is undergoing fever, I should give him some relief. If it but for that, if I can recover him and keep him tame, if I can cure him, if I can cure him means actually he means that if I give him some liquor, he will be cured. So he says, if I can cure him and keep him tame, means if I adopt him and get to Naples with him, and if I take this thing to the Naples, he is a present for any emperor that ever trod on neat's leather. He will be a nice gift to any emperor who ever wore shoes of ox's leather. Then Caliban says, "Oh, do not torment me, pray thee. I will bring my wood home faster." Caliban still thinks that he is the spirit of the Prospero. So he says, "Please do not torment me. I will bring you the wood faster." Then Stefano, he is in his fit now and does not talk after the wisest. Stefano, again, he sees Caliban and he says that he has his shivering fits of fever. That's why he's speaking like this. And does not talk after the wisest, and he does not talk like a sensible man. He shall taste of my bottle. He should taste the liquor of my bottle. If he have never drunk wine before, if he have never drunk wine before, will go near to remove his fit, will be cured from fever. If I can recover him and keep him tame, I will not take too much for him. So he says, if I can recover him from his fever and keep him adopt, I will not take too much for him. Means I will not take too much of charge for him to keep him as a show. He shall pay for him, and that hath him, and that soundly. He who will have him must, of course, pay a decent price. I am very much sure. Whoever will see him, give a decent price. So because he's a deformed figure, his Caliban is a deformed figure, so he thinks that if I can take him to Naples, people will give me a nice money for the show of this kind of thing. Then Caliban says, "Thou dost me yet but little hurt. Thou wilt anon, I know it by thy trembling. Now Prospero works upon thee. Now Caliban says, you do not hurt me much now. So Caliban says he's only speaking but not hurting me. So he says, you do not hurt me much now. Thou wilt anon, but you will soon begin to. Because he thinks that these are the spirits sent by Prospero. Again, according to the order of Prospero, you will again start, means you will start tormenting me. I know it by thy trembling. I know this by the sign of being possessed by a spirit. I know by your way of trembling. Actually, he is trembling because he had drunken a lot. But he thinks this is a spirit. Prosper works upon thee. Prospero has his spell upon you. I am very much sure of this. And Stephano says, come on your ways, you open your mouth. Here is that which will give language to you. Oh, cat, open your mouth. Then Stephano, he is saying to the Caliban, oh, be good enough to open your mouth. You please open your mouth. Here is something that will teach you how to speak. Oh, you cat, open your mouth, open your mouth. And he is pouring the liquor in his mouth. This will shake your shaking, means this will relieve you from the fever. I can tell you, and that soundly, and I can tell you without a mistake. And he gives Caliban the drink. You cannot tell who is your friend. Open your chaps again. So he says, you do not know who are your friends. You open your mouth. Chaps means jaws. Open your mouth again. And he pours the liquor. Trinculo, and Caliban has never drunk before. Trinculo, he says, what? I should know that voice. It should be, but he is drowned. And these are devils. Oh, defend me. Trinculo, when he hears the voice of Stephano, he says, I think I recognize that voice. It should be Stephano. But he is drowned. But how it can be he can be Stephano? Because he is drowned. And these are devils. Oh, these are devils. Oh, defend me. Oh God, save me from this devils. Stephano says, four legs and two voices. Then Stephano hears two different voices. So he is confused. So he says, four legs and two voices. A most delicate monster. He is a very delicate, exquisite monster. I cannot make out. His forward voice now, his forward voice now is to speak well of his friend. His first voice speaks well of his friend. His backward voice is to utter foul speeches and to detract. And his second voice is meant for abusing and slandering. If all the wine in my bottle will recover him, if all the wine of my bottle be needed to cure him, I will help his ache. I will make him come out of his fever. Come. And he again gives Caliban the drink again. He gives Caliban. Amen. I will pour some in thy other mouth. Okay, if you have another mouth also, I can pour liquor in there also. Stephano, because he's confused by the two voices. Then Trinculo, he makes out. He says, oh, Stephano. He is my friend Stephano. Then, Stephano, doth thy other mouth call me? Then he hears his name. He says, does your other mouth calls me by my name? Mercy, mercy, this is a devil and no monster. So he gets afraid. He says, oh God, have mercy upon me. This is a devil and no monster. I will leave him. I have no long spoon. Oh, I will leave this place because I have no long spoon. Spoon. Actually, according to Elizabethan time, it was a superstition that a long spoon, could help a man to keep the devil away from himself. So he is thinking, as he is afraid of the devils, he says that I have no long spoon. Oh God, save me, have mercy upon me. Then Trinculo, Stephano, if thou beest Stephano, touch me and speak to me, for I am Trinculo. Be not afeard, thy good friend, Trinculo. Then Trinculo says, oh Stephano, if you are my best friend Stephano, please touch me and speak to me. I am Trinculo. Be not afraid. You, good friend Trinculo, Your good friend Trinculo is here. Then Stephano, if thou best Trinculo, come forth. I will pull thee by the lesser legs. If any be Trinculo's legs, these are they. And he draws Trinculo out. So he says, if Trinculo is here, then it means the lesser legs which I see here may be of Trinculo. So he says, if you are my best friend Trinculo, then come forth. I will pull you out by the short legs. And if any be Trinculo's legs, these are they. And he pulls out and draws Trinculo out. Thou art very Trinculo indeed. Oh, you are my friend Trinculo. How camest thou to be here? How did you come here? Then Trinculo, I took him to be killed with a thunder stroke. Actually, I supposed him to be killed by thunder. But art thou not drowned? But you are not drowned. I am happy, Stephano. I hope now thou art not drowned. Now I am fully satisfied that you are not drowned. Is the storm overblown? Has the storm subsided? I hid me under the dead moon's calf's gabardine for fear of the stream. I was afraid of the storm again, so I hid myself inside the gabardine of this deformed creature. And art thou living, Stephano? You are living, Stephano. I am happy. Oh, Stephano, two Neapolitans escaped. 2% of the Naples are escaped. Then Stephano, prithee do not turn me about. My stomach is not constant. So he is shaking. Trinculo is shaking in happiness. He is shaking Stephano. Stephano is saying, please do not shake me. My stomach is not constant. Means my stomach is upset. Actually, he has drunk a lot. So he is afraid that the everything from inside may come out. So he's saying, don't shake me. Caliban aside. Then Caliban is thinking, aside, these be fine things. These are the good creatures. And if they be not sprites, that's a brave spirits, that's brave God and bears celestial liquor, I will kneel to him. So he says, Caliban, these are the good creatures, they are not torturing me. And if they are not the spirits sent by Prospero, it means they are God. And as they have given me the heavenly water, I will kneel to him. I will kneel to this man before him. I think him a god. Actually, he's talking about Stephano. Then Stephano, how didst thou escape? How camest thou hither? Again, Stephano is asking to Trinculo, how did you escape? How did you reach here? Swear by this bottle how thou camest here. You swear by this bottle means how did you come here? Swear here he should say the swear by the touch of the Bible or the holy book. But though he has drunk a lot, he is saying I swear by this bottle. So you swear by this bottle, how did you come here? Then I escaped upon a butt of sack which the sailors heaved overboard. And he says that I escaped floating on a large cask of wine, which the sailors had thrown overboard. By this bottle, I swear by this bottle, which I made of the bark of a tree with my own hands. I had made this this bottle with the bark of a tree with my own hands since I was cast ashore, after I was driven ashore. So, children, today till here. In our next meet, we will go further. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you.